You can use any color of the royal icing. Prepare flooding and medium or piping icing consistency. If you have a question why I add black food color gel to the red, watch my previous cookie tutorial. Take stiff or medium piping consistency and make outline. If you are a cookie beginner, focus on the line, not on the piping bag, and lift the tip of the piping bag up so the line is lifted. This helps you to put this line whatever you want. Flooding immediately. Nothing special, I use my regular flooding technique. If you ask me why this one, so I recommend you to check my previous royal icing tutorial. Let icing dry and meantime let's make puffy dots. Take my icing transfer sheets with dots. You can find link below this video. Put it in the file protector and pipe size 1 to 4. Just several of my secrets for beginners. First, use piping or medium consistency. Set tip of the piping bag in the middle of the circle and start squeezing. Keep your piping bag perpendicular to the table surface, don't shake or move your hand, just squeeze. When your dot reach edge of the circle, just stop squeezing and take off piping bag. That's it. Let dot dry. In my previous lesson, I revealed my approach how to peel off icing template, but this time I recommend you to use steel tongs to take off transfer templates and don't mess the size. When you're satisfied with your ornament, take stiff icing and squeeze a little bit on the bottom of each dot and return to the same place. Take stiff icing and pipe lines between rows. When icing dry, mix alcohol with gold powder and add final details. Hope you find a lot of useful tips in this video, so type like. If you follow this tutorial, please share with me your results and tag me on Instagram.